Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine at your home. Today I am going to start a new topic with you, a very interesting topic. And the name of the topic is Crisis of the Democratic Order. Again, Crisis of the Democratic Order. First, I will let you know the concepts of this chapter, and I will discuss point wise. I have got 15 points to discuss with you. Then I will go on as usual for the question answer series. Now, crisis of the democratic order. You know that India is a democratic country, and how much strong the opposition is, or how much strong the ruling party is, whatsoever, but we never compromised on the democracy, and there were no internal emergency on the democratic situation. Every party accept the verdict of the people and they step down, and the ruling party rules the country. But something happened in 1975. So one by one, I will discuss the topic, and I want to give you one basic word: emergency. Emergency, that was internal emergency. It was enacted in 1975. So on this emergency topic, the whole chapter, whole lesson is based on. That's why they gave you the topic of as crisis of the democratic order. Okay? Now, first point. Concepts. After the election of Lok Sabha in 1971, mind it, 1971 is a very crucial year, because in this year Indo-Pak war was happened. Srimati Indira Gandhi emerged as a towering leader. What do you mean by towering leader? Unchallenged personality, unchallenged leader with tremendous popularity, because India won the war. Pakistan was divided in two factors. Bangladesh was another one. So when India won the war under the leadership of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, she became unchallenged leader in the world also. She was called an Iron Lady. One Iron Lady is Margaret Thatcher of England. Only one Iron Lady. Second was, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Second point. In the elections of 1971, Congress gave the slogan Garibi Hatao. On this topic, this Garibi Hatao, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi won the election. But economic condition of the country did not improve. She gave a slogan, Garibi Hatao, but economic condition was not improved. Third, the Bangladesh crisis had put a very heavy strain on the Indian economy. When a country goes for a war, every machinery switch on to the production of war material. So economic condition was not very good in 1971 due to the war with Bangladesh and other aspects. War with Pakistan on Bangladesh issue, Bangladesh became an independent country, which I told you just now. Bangladesh became an independent country. Now, one superpower, USA. Earlier it was helping India. Now what happened? After the war, after the winning of India, The USA stopped all aid to India. USA ने सारे एड इंडिया के बंद कर दिए. Oil prices increased in international market. Oil prices. You know one thing, when oil prices increased, your commodity prices also increased related to oil prices. जो ज़रूरी सामान की चीज़ें होती है ना वो भी बढ़नी शुरू हो जाती हैं. So oil prices increased in the international market and this led to all round increase in prices of commodities which I told you just now. Monsoon failed. 72 के अंदर monsoon fail हो गया. अब now India is an agrarian country. Listen very carefully all the topics, all the concepts related to each other. One was Pakistan crisis, Bangladesh. Another was economic crisis. Third was monsoon crisis. Right. So monsoon failed in 1972-73 and India, as I told you, India is an agrarian country, and 1972 India was not very technically, improved country, advanced country. It was not an advanced country just now we are having. So 72-73 monsoon failed. Food grain output declined by 8%. Food grain, कनक, चावल, दाल, तिलहन, 8% उनका decrease हो गया. You can well imagine that what was the situation. Dissatisfaction among the masses, ये एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है. When the country is dissatisfied, it means you are near to the revolution. You are not satisfied, you want to do something. The whole masses is not satisfied, whole country is not satisfied, it means you are near to the revolution. So, dissatisfaction among the masses, students' unrest, another topic. Mass was not satisfied, one topic. One, students' unrest. All over India, students were unrest. They want to do something against the government. They want to do popular protest. They want to do all the protests against the government. So popular protest against the government happened everywhere. And in January 1974, students in Gujarat started agitation against the rising prices. Price rise के कारण प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गई. किसने किया? स्टूडेंट्स ने किया. अगेंस्ट द करप्शन and corruption in the high offices, etc. High offices, etc. So, in March 1974, students in Bihar started agitation against rising prices, food shortages, unemployment, corruption, etc. Right? So, these were the main topics were students' unrest, price rise, corruption, unemployment, dissatisfaction, monsoon failed, increase of oil prices, US stopped all aid to India, war with Pakistan, and heavy prices for Bangladesh, etc. So write down these all topics, points, and learn this topic. Very important, very interesting. The rest I will tell you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day. Thank you.